Though not always the case, cancer research is now one of the most active and productive fields of clinical information. Locally, researchers at the University of Texas Health Science Center are involved in several projects in the field of cancer immunology.
We're very optimistic that immunology can offer something new and effective in terms of treatment and prevention of cancers. And the reasons are that we know that most cancers are regarded as foreign by the host, either the human or the animal which is bearing the cancer. It's also quite clear that the individual responds to this cancer with a vigorous immunologic response in many cases. We feel if we can increase the level of this response in cancer, we might effectively control the cancer. Now, the part of the immune system that is responsible for cancer immunity is the so-called thymus-dependent part of the immune system. Recently, for the first time, a genetic defect has been described in a strain of mice in which the thymus gland is absent. So these mice do not have the capacity to reject a foreign tumor. In fact, one can place into these mice human tumors, and the human tumors will stay in the skin of the mouse and will not be rejected. They don't grow particularly rapidly or hurt the mouse, but they do remain alive and well. So it's a means for us to study human tumors after they've been removed surgically.
Dr. Morton Prager's immunotherapy technique may be used clinically in the near future. It involves the chemical modification of cancer cells for use as a vaccine.
We inject tumor cells into the mouse. They're permitted to grow for a period of time. Then we collect what tumor cells are there, put them through our chemical modification procedure, and then use these to vaccinate other animals to see whether or not these modified tumor cells now will make the recipients immune when we come along at a later date and challenge them with the live tumor cells. In this kind of what we would call a prophylactic or protection experiment, where we can, with a number of tumor systems now, protect the animals against the subsequent growth of the live tumor cells.